Sleep is one of the most fundamental aspects of human life, yet many of us take it for granted. We work long hours, scroll endlessly on our phones, binge-watch shows late into the night, or push ourselves to stay productive at all costs. But what most people don't realize is that rest is an active, vital process that affects every single system in your body. Sleep impacts your brain, heart, immune system, metabolism, mood, memory, and overall longevity. In fact, you could think of sleep as the ultimate performance enhancer, something that no diet, exercise routine, or supplement can replace. Skipping or shortening your sleep is not just about feeling tired. It can slowly damage your physical health, mental clarity, and emotional stability. In this video, we're going to explore the science of sleep in a clear, easy-to-understand way. We'll look at what happens in your body when you sleep, why sleep is so important, how sleep deprivation affects you, how much sleep you really need, and simple strategies to improve it. By the end, you'll understand why prioritizing sleep is the single most effective way to improve your health, focus, and happiness. 1. Sleep repairs your body. When you sleep, your body enters a state of repair and regeneration. While you might be lying still, every system in your body is hard at work. Muscles that were stressed during the day rebuild themselves. TISS regenerate, and cells repair damage. Your immune system also produces infection-fighting proteins that help protect you from illness. Think of it like this. If you push your body hard all day, sleep is when it catches up and restores itself. Athletes, for example, rely on sleep as much as they rely on training. Without proper rest, muscles don't grow and recovery is incomplete. Even if you aren't exercising heavily, daily life puts small stressors on your body. Sleep allows your cardiovascular system, lungs, liver, and other organs to recover and function at their best. 2. Sleep refreshes your brain. Sleep is not just for your body. It's essential for your brain. During sleep, your brain activates a cleaning system known as the glymphatic system. This system removes toxins and waste products that build up during the day, helping maintain healthy brain function. Without this nightly cleanup, waste can accumulate and increase the risk of cognitive decline and neurological disorders over time. Beyond cleaning, sleep also organizes the information you gather throughout the day. Your brain decides what to keep, what to discard, and how to strengthen important neural connections. This is why sleep is critical for memory, learning, and problem solving. A well-rested brain is faster, sharper, and more creative. A sleep-deprived brain, by contrast, is foggy, forgetful, and prone to mistakes. 3. Sleep strengthens memory and learning. Everything you experience during the day, whether it's facts you studied, skills you practiced, or social interactions you had, gets processed during sleep. Deep sleep consolidates your memories, storing essential information in long-term memory while discarding unnecessary details. REM sleep, on the other hand, helps with emotional memory and creativity. This is why pulling all-nighters or sleeping less during periods of study or work is counterproductive. Your brain needs sleep to solidify learning and retain information effectively. Even short naps can give your brain a boost, but regular, sufficient nighttime sleep is where the real transformation happens. 4. Sleep stabilizes mood and emotional health. Lack of sleep affects not just how you think, but how you feel. Sleep deprivation can make you irritable, anxious, and more prone to stress. It can also increase the risk of long-term mental health issues like depression and anxiety. Good sleep, however, keeps your emotional regulation in check. When you sleep well, your mood is balanced, your patience improves, and your ability to cope with daily challenges increases. Think of sleep as a natural therapy that helps you manage stress, calm your mind, and maintain emotional stability. 5. Sleep regulates hormones and appetite. Sleep plays a crucial role in regulating hormones that control hunger, growth, and stress. For example, ghrelin, the hunger hormone, increases when you're sleep-deprived, making you feel hungrier. Leptin, the hormone that signals fullness, decreases, making it harder to feel satisfied after meals. This hormonal imbalance explains why people who sleep less tend to overeat and gain weight. Growth hormone, which supports tissue repair and metabolism, is also released during sleep, highlighting its importance in overall health and vitality. 6. Sleep protects your heart. Your cardiovascular system also benefits tremendously from sleep. During rest, your heart rate slows, blood pressure stabilizes, and inflammation decreases. Chronic sleep deprivation, however, is linked to higher risks of heart disease, stroke, and hypertension. Simply put, your heart needs sleep to stay strong. 7. Sleep boosts your immune system. When you sleep, your body produces proteins and cells that fight infection. Sleep-deprived individuals are more likely to get sick, take longer to recover, and experience chronic inflammation. In other words, sleep is a natural vaccine that strengthens your body's defenses against illness. 8. How much sleep do you really need? For most adults, 7 to 9 hours per night is ideal. Teens need 8 to 10 hours, and children need even more. It's not just the quantity, but the quality of sleep that matters. Consistent, uninterrupted sleep is far more restorative than fragmented hours. 9. How to improve your sleep. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Limit screen time before bed to reduce blue light exposure. Avoid caffeine late in the day. Keep your bedroom dark, quiet, and cool. Avoid heavy meals or alcohol close to bedtime. Get exposure to sunlight during the day to regulate your circadian rhythm. Small changes can create huge improvements in the quality of your sleep. Conclusion: sleep is not optional. It's essential. It's the foundation of your physical health, mental clarity, emotional stability, and overall well-being. Skipping sleep might seem harmless in the short term, but over time, it silently damages your body and mind. Prioritizing sleep is one of the simplest, most effective ways to improve every aspect of your life. When you respect your sleep, you give your body and brain the chance to recover, repair, and perform at their best. Remember, sleep is not a luxury. It's a necessity,